Tell me. It's very thick.
No,
I say it's very heavy.
it's heavy. I want to know, like, what is the name of this meal?
Roast baked. Roast baked. Yes, coconut baked with smoked herring and egg.
Wow.
But I said,
And you eat this for
when
breakfast?
you eat this, it rolls you till lunchtime. Sometimes even till dinner.
And then you drink with it?
After, it's very filling. So if you drink and you eat it, you get too full and you don't finish it. You finish it first, then drink after.
I really love this, but I don't understand why I have to be eating huge bread like this for breakfast. It's more like eating heavy food in Ghana. But to me, if I'm eating heavy, I want to use my hand. But this one, no. But it's really good. And I think like when you're eating, you will not know that it's too much. And you end up finishing it all.
I want to say, welcome to 20.
Thank you for welcoming me to TNT, man. Trinidad, dude,
Yes.
that's so cool.
Yeah.